haven't put that big.
I kind of think they're going to swing the whole product line to rear-wheel drive now.
They should.
This is the ATS, their smaller one, in a V version of the V8.
6-speed
And a manual
though.
transmission.
It might be 7-speed if it's got the vets. Because that vet is a 7-speed. Sorry.
That's badass looking on the front.
The carbon splitter.
Well, the whole grill takes the cat emblem. Nice looking car.
It's a billet grill too.
Sure.
Twin turbo 6.
Oh, they did a 6 on this. Oh.
Sweet.
Yeah, this is a little car.
So can we drift it around the building?
Turn off the traction control.
That's a beauty.
What's that putting out stock?
455.
455?
Out of V6.
Nice. That's not bad.